station and space to ground.
Welcome to Space to Ground. I'm Kayla LaFrance. 4 astronauts launched to the International Space Station this week, while 2 cosmonauts ventured outside the hatch for another spacewalk.
And liftoff. Go Falcon, left Freedom Ring, fast speed cruise 1.
NASA's SpaceX Crew 4 commander, Kjell Lindgren, along with astronauts Bob Hines, Jessica Watkins, and Samantha Cristoforetti, lifted off early Wednesday morning from the Kennedy Space Center in Florida. The launch of the Crew Dragon Freedom occurred just 2 days after the undocking of Axiom Mission 1, the first all-private astronaut mission to the orbiting outpost. When Crew 4 arrived at the station, they were greeted by the Crew 3 astronauts and their Russian colleagues. This is the first spaceflight for astronauts Watkins and Hines, and the second trip to space for Lindgren and Cristoforetti. The Crew 4 astronauts will work on all kinds of science experiments during their stay on the station. Many focus on ways to improve life here on Earth, while others help us learn how to keep people healthy in space on long-duration missions. The ISS National Lab-sponsored protein-based artificial retina manufacturing investigation launched alongside Crew 4 and Dragon Freedom. Scientists are testing the manufacture of artificial retina films in microgravity, where the quality and stability of the films could be improved by a lack of sedimentation. The aim of this research is to one day restore meaningful vision to patients affected by retinal degenerative diseases. They'll also continue the X-Root experiment, which uses liquid-based hydroponics and air-based aeroponic techniques to grow plants without soil. You can keep up with all the exciting science Crew 4 will conduct during their time on orbit by following @ISS_research. Work continued outside of the station with the second spacewalk in 2 weeks by a pair of Russian cosmonauts. The primary task for Oleg Artemyev and Denis Matveev was the continuation of work on the European robotic arm. The duo jettisoned thermal blankets used to protect the arm during its launch with the Nyoka multi-purpose laboratory module to the station. They also flexed the arm's joints, released launch restraints, and monitored the arm's grappleability. That's Space to Ground for this week. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next week.
Subscribe for more space.